recording. And I'm also going to quick share my computer so that you can see my steps. All right. So now I'm going to do Excel Module 3, Project 1. Can anyone confirm you can see my computer? Can somebody confirm you can see my screen? Thank you for your confirmation. So I just downloaded the files, okay? So after I download the file, I open instructions. This is the instruction. So open this Excel file. And the Excel file as this one. So I'm going to open the Excel file. So this is the Excel file. Okay, I try to see both Word and Excel. So you see applications and the instructions at the same time. Now I click File, Save As. So I will save in Comp1010 folder. I have my computer. Okay. George Brown, Comp1010, and this is my tab. And this is save this file as, change the file name to _2. Save. So now, make sure your first name and the last name displayed in cell B6. See, this is my name, B6. I try to increase the font size. Okay, so this is my name in B6. Okay. Any questions so far? Open the data file and save the data file. Make sure your name in cell B6, as we have done so far. Next, step 1. Charlie is a salesman at a Pickup Motors car dealership. He is performing a detailed analysis of his sales for the first half of 2018, including representing his sales and commissions with graph. Switch to 2018 January-June sales worksheet. Okay. So now this worksheet here, Jan-June worksheet. So switch to this one. Okay. And then remove the panel. Pins, remove the pins from the worksheet. So go to the View tab and deselect the split option. Okay. This is the split option, so deselect it. Okay. So that is step 1. Step 2, freeze rows 1 and 2. Okay. So I need to select cell A3. Okay. And then go to the View tab, freeze rows. Freeze rows So when I move, no, I go to here, cell A2, freeze the top row 1 and row 2. So this is freeze top rows. So maybe I select this one. Okay. So I froze row 1 and 2. Next, change the column weights of column A to 31. So I click column A, and the weights, go to Home tab. In editing group, no, this is in cell styles group, not cell style. Change the weights here. This is merge and center, not here. So I try to find column weights. Go to view. Data now, page layout, not page layout. This is page layout. Width, because not this one, maybe it is still at home. So I'm in step 3, try to change the width of column A. This is merge. Cell style, this is cell style. Formatting as table, no. So this is the cells editing group, cells. Go to cells. Formatting, and go to formatting. This is row height. It said do not use auto fit. This is auto fit. Do not use column width here. This one here. It is under Home tab, Cells group. Select column width. Change it to 31. Click OK button. That is step 3. Step 4. Select the range B4 to D4. B4 to D4 here. Fill the range with the consecutive months. So put your mouse pointer here on bottom right corner. Click and drag it to G4. Okay. So fill the month. Next, step 5. In cell H5 here. In cell, no, this is H5. Create a column sparkline based on the data in the range B5, G5, B5, G5. Okay. So in cell, create a column sparkline. So column sparkline. Go to insert sparklines, and we need a column sparkline. select the data range. The data range from B5, G5. So here, B5 to G5. Select where you want to put a spark line, H5. Okay, that's correct. And then click OK button. Okay, so I finished step 5. I haven't finished. You have to copy the spark line to the range H6 to H9. So just click this. This is the fill handle. This is not. Make sure you have the solid cloth. This one is fill handle. Click and drag down to H9. Release your mouse. So that is step 5. Step 6. Use the format painter. Copy the formatting from the range G5, G9 to range H5, H9. So select G5 to H9 first. Select. Go to Home. This is the format painter. Format painter. Click the format painter. Now your mouse becomes a format painter. And then go to H5, H9. Here. Click and drag H5 to H9. Release your mouse. Okay. So you applied format painter. Step 7. Copy the contents of the range G4, G4 to range G12, G12. Contents of range B4, B4, G4. This is B4 to G4. Okay. And then select copy button. Copy. And then go to B12. Here. B12. And then click paste. And, press ESC to eliminate the running line. Step 8. Apply percentage number format with 0 decimal to the range B13, G13. B13, B13, G13, and the non-adjacent B33. So I have to go with B33. So this one, B30, this one, and B33. Oops, I'm using mark. I try to figure out how to select non-adjacent range. B33. B33 is here. Not here. Try the control options, maybe. One, control, B33. Oh, not work. I'll try command key, not work. Try control, B3. So I'll do it separately, okay? If you are using the PC, Windows, you can use control to select non-adjacent range. So here I'm going to do it separately. So I'll select this one, change it to percent style. This is the percent. Okay. Percent number format. Okay. Percent. Okay. Zero format. It is already zero format. So now I will do cell B13, 33. Cell B33. Change to percent with 0 decimals. Okay. So that is step 8. Step 8. Oops. Here questions. I'll check the. I can't see the screen. I will watch the recording later. Okay, that's fine, Zelong. Okay, good luck. Okay. Thank you for telling me. Okay, next time you do not need to tell me. Okay, you just go. Okay. You are so nice. Thank you. So I am here. That's my. By the way, we have students right now all over the world. The student just tell me because he is not in Canada, he cannot see my screen and he will watch the recording later. Okay. So step 8, step 9. Select the merged range A15, A27. A15, A27. And then rotate the cell contents to 90 degrees. The text should read from bottom to top. Rotate the cell content. So I go to cell, I select that one, cell. Format. With auto format, hit, right, rename, Format cells. I go to format cells, okay. And then what is the rotate? Number? No. Under alignment tab. Under alignment tab. Rotate to, what is the degree? 90 degree. Here. Type in 90. Okay. Click OK button. So it is rotated. Then 90 degree. Step 10. In the stacked column chart with title, monthly sales per vehicle type. So this one here. Okay. Add months as the primary horizontal axis, and sales amount as the primary vertical axis. Okay. So I will double click this one, chart. Double click the chart. and then quick add chart element button. Now I have access title. Primary horizontal. Primary horizontal is the month. I have to move my sheet so that I can. It is here. Okay, click here. In order to find this icon, you have to double click the chart first so that you can find this icon. Double click the chart first, you find this icon. You have access type primary horizontal. Okay, so primary horizontal is the month. What is? I need to. This is the month sales amount. Primary horizontal sales amount. I'm going to increase the font. Increase the windows so that I can see everything clearly. So I will double click this chart, add chart element, access, primary horizontal. Okay, now I click my mouse here. Click here. Nothing happened. Primary horizontal. I try to add axis, x-axis and y-axis. Primary horizontal. It is somewhere here. I did. Oh, it is here actually. Maybe it is here, not here. Primary horizontal. Oh. I need to add access. Add options, maybe click here. Properties. Properties and text. No. Title. Text options. Not here. Chart options. So I did last time it worked. So I try to add access title. Click and double click. Horizontal access. Now I try to y-axis, maybe vertical. Yeah, see, this vertical works. Okay, so after I click this vertical, the vertical should be sales amount. So I'm going to type in sales amount. This is vertical axis. Okay. But why horizontal does not work? I'll try horizontal again. And horizontal. Yeah, it is here. See, this time it works. Horizontal is a month. M-O-N-T-H, month. It's very tiny, you cannot see it. Month. So I added horizontal access and vertical axis. Okay. So that is step 10. Step 11. In the stacked column chart with the title, monthly sales vehicle type, monthly sales per vehicle type, refer to the same title. Change the number format of the vertical axis. Vertical axis to accounting style with 0 decimal place. Vertical axis. Change the number format here. Number format. Double click or right click your mouse. Format axis. Format axis. Text options. Text options. Change the format. Reset to match style. Format must be somewhere here. Change to decimal places. Stacked. Change the number format of vertical axis. Vertical axis. This is vertical axis. Maybe I can just go to home tab. So, but you want chart design. I click this one. Give me chart design. Chart type. Select data node here. Click chart element. Title data label. Node here. So is if I write this one, if I close this one, what I try to do, I try to change the data format. Data format, I double click this one. Double click this one, try to find this is color. Again, width. This is fill. Shadow glow, 3D format. Alignment, text direction. Access options. Brand minimum unit. Access options. Display now. Use number here. It is here number. See, it is here. Okay. It is under the access options and what is the requirement? The requirement asks you to change to accounting style with 0 decimal places. So this is the currency. Select accounting. Accounting style with 0 decimal place. Typing 0. Okay. And then click OK button. Okay. So we did that one. Step 11. Step 12. In the 3D chart, pie chart, This is a 3D pie chart. Change the chart style to style 1. Okay, so double click this chart. Chart style. This one is style 1. Just select this one, style 1. It is under chart design. You have to double click the chart first to see the chart design. So this is style 1. Step 13. Add data labels to the 3D pie chart using the outside end style. Add data label. So right click your mouse. Add data label. And use outside end. So data label. I have to choose data labels, and I have to choose outside end. Outside end. Okay. Step 14. Charlie wants to calculate his gross monthly sales commissions. The rule is that he receives a commission of 2.5% of his total monthly sales if he sold more than 400,000 worth of vehicles. Otherwise, he only gets 1.5% of his total monthly sale amount. So we need to do calculation in this step. In cell B31, step 13. In cell B31, create a formula using a function to check whether the value of cell B9, where is B9? So I'm going to increase this one. B9 is here. Okay, whether B9 is greater than 40. So how to do this? So quick cell B31. Okay, I'm going to increase the font size so that you see clearly of my formula. So typing equal if, opening bracket, if, then quick cell B9. Okay, if B9 is greater than 400,000, if this is true, and I need to use B9 times 2.5%, means 0.025. If greater than 400,000, the bonus is B9 times 0.025. If it is not greater than 400,000, the bonus is B9 times 1.5%, so 0.015. Okay, so that is the logical if. Okay, press enter. And then copy the formula in cell B31 to range C31, G31. So click this one, copy to C31, G31. use the fill handle. Okay. And you got series number because I increase font size, so I will change back to 12 so that they are smaller. See, you see the number. The other way you can increase the width, column width, in order to see the number. All right, I did step 14. Okay, step 15. After deductions, Charlie's net monthly commission is only 85% of his gross monthly commission. In cell B32, okay, I'm going to increase. In cell B32 here, create a formula that multiply the value of cell B31 by the value B33 and use absolute reference for B33. Absolute means that value will not be changed. In other words, that value is fixed. And how do you make an absolute reference? You add a dollar sign, so it is $B33. So anyway, in cell B33, I need to create formula. Any formula start with equal sign. So you click equal, and then multiply the value in cell B31, click B31, times B33. And B33 need to be absolute. Cell reference means you need to add a dollar sign before B, so it is read $B $33. Okay. So I repeat, the formula is equal B33 multiply $B $33. Press Enter key. Okay. Why you need $B $33? Because you are going to copy this formula, okay, to C32 to G32. Each time the number will multiply 85%. 85% is a fixed number. It is not changed. Okay. So I'm going to copy. This is a fill handle. Okay, this is not fill handle. This is a fill handle, and in this location, click, hold down your mouse and drag it to the right until column G. Release your mouse. Okay. So that is step 15. Step 15. Step 16. In cell H31. In cell H31. This is H31 is here. In cell H31. Create a line, spark line, based on the data in the range. Copy supply. Copy this spark line. Okay. So in cell H31, H31 is here. Create line, spark line. So insert, spark lines, and line, spark line. Select data range B31, G31. So B31, G31. Select data range. No, that is not here. This is not. Select data range here. Select data range B31 to G31. Okay. And select where to place the spark line. I want to place it here. H31. Okay, click OK button. And now copy the spark line in cell 31 to cell 32. I heard questions. I will check the question. And I got question covered and log off. No problem, Josephine. Okay, thank you for letting me know. So go back. You can always watch the recordings, okay, guys? So where I am. 16, step 16, update the line spark line as described below. Change the spark line type to column. So highlight this one, click this one, not here, and then spark line design change to column here. Click column. Okay, change to column. And then change the spark style to 7th column, 4th row. So you have this 7th spark line, dark number 4. 7th column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here. This one is spark line style, dark 4. I'm using mark, okay? So change to this one. And then step 17, in the range A31, A32. In the range A31, A32. A31 is the indent of the cells. Indent. So click home. And the indent. This is the indent. Step 18. Charles' goal is to make a net commission of 60,000 for the second half of 2018, using the estimate that its gross commission rate will be an average of 2%. That is in cell B37. Okay. B37 across the second half of the year. So in cell B39, use goal seek to determine what value of cell B36, what value is necessary to set the value of B39 to 60,000. Leave the result of Gauss-6 as the new value of the cell B36. So this is use Gauss-6 command. Select cell B39, it's already selected, and go to data. Under what if analysis, you have Gauss-6. So set cell B39, set cell B39 to value 60,000 by changing the cell. Select by set the cell by changing the cell by changing the cell estimate. Let's read the question by change estimated. Set cell H1 by changing the cell B36. Okay, B36. And click OK button. Okay. So I click OK button. Step 19. In cell B40. Cell B40. Insert a formula using now to enter system date and time, and apply short date format. So type in equal NOW now, opening closing bracket, press enter. And you need to use short format. Okay. I heard questions. Can you go over that goal again? Didn't work for me. Yes, Rihanna, I'm going to go back to that one. Thank you for your question. Okay, I'm going to go back. So about a question. Gauss-6, that is step 18. Step 18. So I have to click undo button. Undo. Okay. So that is we start step 18 again. Okay. In step 18, first you click cell B39. Click it. Click cell B39. And then you go to data. And then under what if analysis, you click Gauss-6. And you set cell B39 to value 60,000 by changing the cell in B36. Click cell B36. I will pause for a moment so that you see the parameters I enter. Okay, let me check. I heard the message box. Okay, thank you, Rihanna. I love your question. Glad you got it. So I will just click the OK button. Okay, then click OK button again. Okay. So now we are in step 19. Step 19 in cell B40. In cell B, no, I'm going to click Save button. Okay, before I'm going to click Save button. So step 19. click cell E40, typing N equal NOW now, opening, closing bracket. Now, see the formula is here. Equal now, opening, closing bracket, press enter. And you need to change to short date format. So, right click your mouse, format cells, number is a date. By the way, I'm using Mac. May looks a little bit different than if you are using a Windows computer. So short date, I do not, the closing short date is this one, is my short date. Okay, but I do not have option to select slash. I just have the dash. Okay, this is the my short date. Right. So step 20. Woohoo! Our last step. Use the recommended chart tool to create a clustered column chart based on the range A30, G32. So based on A30, where is my A30? A30 is here, and then G32. Yeah, from here to here. A30 to G32. Okay. Clustered column chart. Click insert under the recommended chart, clustered column chart. Okay, click it. Clustered column chart. Move the chart to its own chart sheet. Move the chart to its own chart sheet. So right click my mouse and click move chart. Move chart to a new worksheet, links to its own worksheets. Move the chart. What is the name? Enter commissions. Commissions 2018. Okay. Click OK button. So this one is its own worksheet. And then change the title. Double click. Change the title to Sales Commissions. January to June 2018. Yeah. And then step C. Add months as the primary horizontal axis and commission as the primary vertical axis. So click this chart and the chart element, axis title, primary horizontal. Okay. And then you have this text box here, chart title, highlight, then typing MONTH months, press enter. Okay. Now add primary vertical axis, axis title, primary vertical. Okay. Highlight the text, then typing commission. Press enter key. So that is step 20. Okay, and do not forget, compare your worksheet with this one. Okay, So let me compare. So this is a new worksheet. So this one, okay, should be similar to this one, okay. And then the worksheet, chart I have just created would be like that one, okay, commission. Okay, looks like this one. All right. Are there any questions? I'm going to stop recording, then open up.